Our speaker for today is an inspiring individual who has exemplified the true meaning of service, courage, and leadership throughout her career. She is a graduate of the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from Liceo de Cagayan University, where she laid the foundation for her future endeavors. In 1999, she made a life-changing decision to join the Bureau of Fire Protection as Fire Officer 1, marking the beginning of a remarkable journey in public service. Over the years, she has demonstrated exceptional dedication, courage, and resilience in the face of countless challenges. Through her hard work and determination, in 2017, she was promoted to Fire Inspector through lateral entry. This promotion was a testament to her skills, leadership, qualities, and the trust placed in her by her colleagues and superiors. In 2020, she was appointed as a station commander of Station 6 Calsawagan Fire Station, a pivotal role that saw her oversee critical operations and led her team with distinction. Her leadership has not only ensured the fire safety of the local community, but also set a shining example of what it means to serve with integrity, compassion, and professionalism. Her dedication to her role and her community has made a lasting impact, and her example continues to inspire others in the Bureau of Fire Protection and beyond. In 2021, she served as the Chief of the Human Resource Management Services in the Admin Division at the Office of the Regional Director. And today, we are fortunate to have her share her experiences and insights with us. Please help me welcome retired Fire Chief Inspector Joy C. Valmora.
To Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Senior Superintendent Romel Villapuerte, sir. To our Regional Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Richie Fabri, sir. Key Officers of BFP Regional Office 10, my former fellow civil servants, ladies and gentlemen. In observance of this year's Women's Month with the sub-theme Babae, sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas. Let me speak about being a woman in not just a singular experience, but a vast and vibrant tapestry woven from countless individual threads, rich with color, texture, and sometimes painful knots. Our experience from a young age on what it means to be a woman varies, from being given dolls and told to be nurturing, to being told to be quiet or to be pretty. We are told to smile, to be agreeable, and most of the time to shrink ourselves to fit into spaces not normally built for us. Progress proves that women refuse to be confined by all these narratives. For over the years, we choose to define ourselves not by the expectations of others, but by the strength and resilience that burns within us. Being a woman is a journey of constant evolution. It is a journey of discovering our own power, our own voices, our own unique paths. It is a journey filled with triumphs and setbacks, with moments of profound joy and sometimes with crushing disappointments. We live in a world that often undervalues our contributions, that questions our capabilities, that seeks to silence our voices, yet we persist. We become mothers, wives, we become leaders, innovators, artists, scientists, teachers, and so much more. We are the backbone of our families, our communities, our world. We are the nurturers, the caregivers, the protectors. We also become warriors because we fight. And most particularly, we become firefighters. And I'm so proud I used to be one. Recent events prove women as the ones who challenge the status quo, who demand equality, who refuse to be silenced. The challenges we face are immense. For instance, the fight for equal pay, for reproductive rights, the fight to end violence against women. These are battles we must continue to fight with unwavering determination. All this can be attained if we stand together, support each other, lift each other up, share our stories, and amplify each other's voices. Today, as we celebrate the Women's Month, let us all give each other a cheer, because it's about celebrating our strength, our resilience, our unwavering spirit. It's about embracing our complexities and our imperfections. It's about recognizing the power within us. All this in a tapestry of womanhood. Let us celebrate the unique threads that make us who we are. Let us celebrate our triumphs, learn from our setbacks, and continue to weave a future where every woman can live a life of freedom, equality, and fulfillment. Let us all continue to let our voices ring out loud and clear, a testament to the strength and beauty of being a woman. So we can proudly say, sa babae, lahat ng sektor aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas. Babae po ako. Thank you very much and have a pleasant Monday morning to us all.
Thank you for that inspiring message, Mom. At this juncture, we will call in our Regional Director, Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel A. Villapartiser, to be assisted by our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie Fabricer, to award the Certificate of Appreciation to our speaker. Republic of the Philippines, Department of the Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection, Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumabela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. A certificate of appreciation is presented to retired Fire Chief Inspector Joyce Sico Morris for her outstanding contribution as a resource speaker and her influential message in women empowerment in celebration of National Women's Month 2025. We acknowledge her role in today's Monday flag raising ceremony. On March 17, 2025, at the BFP Regional Office 10, her insights and how great enrich our understanding and dedication to this vital cause. Given this 7th day of March 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Gumabela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro. Signed, Romel C. Tradio, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.
One, two, ready.